What is the success rate of hair transplant? What does the term success rate of hair transplant mean? The term success rate of hair transplant means how good the result of hair transplantation would be. Good success rate means maximum number of grafts which are transplanted to the recipient area adapt themselves to the new area, survive and grow nicely. In simple terms, we can say a successful hair transplant means growth of the transplanted hairs as predicted. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I am an American board certified hair transplant surgeon. I serve my patients in all branches of Twacha by Saraswat at Faridabad, Gurgaon, Agra, Saraswat Hospital, Agra, and also I serve as a faculty at ICSAM, which is International Institute of Cosmetic Surgery and Aesthetic Medicine. So what are the factors which decide the success rate of hair transplant? There is a tip I would be giving, rather a link I would be sharing at the end of the video, by which you yourself can calculate how well your hair transplant would be, rather what would be the success rate of your hair transplant. The success of hair transplant depends upon many factors. Let us discuss the factors in two ways: the patient factors and the procedure factors. Discussing the procedure factors first, the most important thing is the skill, experience, knowledge and capability of the transplant surgeon which you are thinking to going with. The skill of the team of the surgeon also matters a lot. How good they are, how experienced they are, how skilled they are. So once you have finalized your surgeon, coming to the checklist of the procedure which you are about to undergo. First of all, checklist for the FUT procedure. Let us see what things are important in the FUT procedure. First of all, the FUT or the linear donor strip should be from the safe donor area. What do we mean by safe donor area? Safe donor area means that area of your scalp where the graft roots are not disturbed by the DHT hormone which has caused baldness in you in the other areas. The saliva cutting of the strip as well as follicle extraction should be under very good magnification and lighting so that graft transaction rate is minimum, rather negligible. Also, the closure in you should be a good trichophytic closure so that the scar which you get at the back, the linear scar, is minimum, and also the grafts are coming out of the scar which even cause it less visible. Checklist for the successful FUE procedure: follicle unit excision. Grafts are to be taken from the safe donor area only, as was the case with FUT. Since we would be wearing very good magnification, we should choose the terminal grafts. The FUE machine should be a low torque, low RPM machine having RPM of about 600 to 1200. You should not undergo procedure with a dental drill like machine which has RPM of 20 to 30,000 rotations per minute, and it may harm the roots of your follicles. They may not grow well. Also, the machine should have counter so that anyone can see how many grafts have been taken out. Coming to the patient's factors now. Patient factor can also be divided into two parts: pre-procedure and post-procedure. In the pre-procedure patient factor, there are two important factors. One is, what is your trichoscopic analysis say? Trichoscopy is one of the very good things. It is a comprehensive computerized analysis which tells us a number of things regarding you. The thickness of your graft, how many shafts you have at the back, how many roots you have at the back, what is the total density you have in the safe donor area, and how many grafts can be extracted from it. Thus you see, trichoscopy gives us a comprehensive analysis of your donor as well as recipient area. The second of your pre-procedure factor is your expectation from the procedure. We advise you to have a realistic expectation from the procedure, which means we should expect the results as we have the donor area. The point is that we all know the number of grafts we have shed is much more than the number of grafts we have at the donor area. So the art of hair transplant is actually all about putting the limited donor grafts in the recipient area in such tactfully and artful way that it covers the maximum area. The post-procedure patient factor is simple. We have to take care of the newly put grafts which are fragile for about three days. We have to take care not to give any trauma to them, not to wear tight clothes which we have to wear from the head. Open clothes have to be worn like shirts and coats. There are many things which we tell you at the end of the procedure by which you can take care of the grafts. Now for the tip, the link I was telling you before by which you yourself can calculate what would be the percentage of success of your own hair transplant. Do take a pen and a paper, calculate your percentage, and good luck with that. Best of luck and thank you.